Hi, I'm Daniel, and this is my ping pong ball shooter. So the motivation for this project came when I was looking into ping pong ball shooters sold online and saw that the ones that could aim were way more expensive than the ones that couldn't. So I thought to myself, why not try and make my own? So just a quick overview, it's a shooting mechanism driven by these two 12-volt DC motors. So the flywheels are both independent of each other. They're driven along these pulleys and belts here, and the entire shooting mechanism is attached to this gear driven by this 12-volt DC motor here. That's geared down a bunch with a planetary gearbox and a few sets of gears there, and it rides along some bearing stacks inside there that allows for rotation and aiming of the shooting mechanism. And the entire thing is powered by this 12-volt battery here and controlled by a Raspberry Pi there that sends, using its GPIO ports, sends PWM signals to these motor controllers here, so I can adjust the speed of the motors. The aiming part of it, or the turret, is measured through this magnetic encoder that sends a PWM signal to the Raspberry Pi, to the second last gear, and with some maths I'm able to find the angle of the turret. So the entire thing was programmed in Python, and I made a simple tkinter application that you see here. And along with the PWM output signals that I mentioned before sent to the shooting motors, I use a PID feedback system using the angle that I get from the encoder to basically aim the turret to the angle I want it to be at. The balls are fed through this hopper here, which is driven by this stepper motor attached to this TPU wheel, that basically allows the program to feed the balls one at a time. The entire thing was initially CAD'd in Onshape to brainstorm some concepts at the beginning, as well as make sure everything fits and see which size screws and ball bearings that I would need for the project, but most importantly, to have models that I'm able to 3D print.